Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on ableStudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters, chapter probability statistics, and the lessons we came to cover today are mean, median, mode and range, mod and range. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is mean, median, mode and range. So let's just start with the first example. What is the median, right? So whenever we have to calculate the median, what we have to do first, very first thing is we have to arrange the data from least to greatest. For example, here you are given the data that is 7, 5, 6, 9, 3, 7, 3. The first thing is you have to arrange the data from least to greatest, that is 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9. Now you have to find the middle number. Middle number is the one that exactly divides the data into two groups. So 6 is the middle number. You can see before 6 you have 3 number and after 6 you have 3 numbers, right? Before 6 you have all the numbers that are less than 6, and after 6 you have all the numbers that are greater than 6, right? So median is the number that is exactly the middle number. Before the median you have all numbers that are less than median, and after the median you have all the numbers that are greater than median, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the median? That is the one we just did. You have to do, first thing you have to do is you have to arrange the data from least to greatest. So let's just arrange them. 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9. Right? Now you have to find the number that is the middle one. So 6 is exactly the middle one. Before 6 you have 3 numbers and after 6 you have 3 numbers. Before 6 you have all the numbers that are greater than 6, and after 6 you have all the numbers that are greater than, sorry, before 6 you have all the numbers that are less than 6, and after 6 you have all the numbers that are greater than 6. Got it? So 6 is the median of the data. The correct option is 6. Got it? 6 is the median. What is the range? Now you have to calculate the range of the data. Whenever you have to calculate the range of the data, you have to find the smallest number in the given data. So smallest number here is 3. And the other thing you need to find is the greatest number in the data. And the greatest number is 10. And the range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number in the given data. That is the definition of the range. Range is the difference between the greatest number and the smallest number in the given data. So greatest number is 10, smallest is 3, so 10 take away is 7. 10 take away 3 equals 7. Got it? So what is the range? The range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number in the given data. What is the mod? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. Okay, just look at the given data. You have 0 that appears 3 times in the data. 1, 2, 3. And 8 that appears 2 times in the given data. So which number appears most of the time? 0 is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So for this data, the mod is 0, right? Because 0 appears 3 times, so mod is 0. The correct option is 0. What is the range of the given data? Which is the correct option? How do you find range? Range is the number, range is the difference between the smallest and the greatest number in the given data. So what is the range of this data? The range is, you have to find the smallest number in the data. The smallest number is 2. The greatest number is 10. So 10 take away 2 is 8. The correct option is 8. The range of the data is 8. No one is answering the questions I am asking. Just keep chatting. So 10 take away 2 is 8. The range of the given data is 8. Very good. What is the median of the given data? Calculate the median and write the answer in the chat box. For the median, you have to arrange the data from least to greatest. The first thing is, so let's just arrange the data from least to greatest so that we can find the median of the given data. So that is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10, right? So which is the median? The 6 is the median that exactly divides the given data into two equal groups. Before the 6 you have all numbers that are less than 6, and after the 6 you have all the numbers that are greater than 6, right? So the correct option is 6. The median of the given data is 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. What is the mod? Which is the correct option? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So which number appears most of the time in the given data? Yes, the number that appears the most of the time in the given data is 2. The correct option is 2. Got it? What is the mod? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. Yes, that is 2 because 2 appears 3 times. So mod of the data is 2. What is the range of the given data? Which is the correct option? Which is the range? What is the range? Range is the difference between the smallest number and the greatest number in the given data. So, which is the smallest and greatest number in the given data? The smallest number in the given data is 6 or 2. Yes, the range is the difference between the smallest number and the greatest number in the given data. So, the smallest number in the data is 0 and the greatest number is 10. So, 10 minus 0 is 10. Very good. 10 minus 0 it is, not 0 minus 10. The next one is what is the median, which is the correct option. Just arrange the data from the least to greatest. So, which is the median? Which is the median? The correct option is just arrange the data from least to greatest and you will find the median. That is 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, 10. So 4 is the number that divides the data into exactly two groups. So the median is 4. Got it? The correct option is 4. The median is 4. Okay, the next one is what is the range, which is the correct option. The range is 6, right? The correct option is 6 because 6 take away 0 is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is mod, I think. Yes, the next one is mod. So, what is the mod? You are given the data 1, 11, 5, 6, and 1. You already know how do we calculate the mod. So, mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So, the easiest way is you can arrange the numbers from least to greatest. This way, counting numbers like the number appears how many times it is easy for you to see. For example, here you can see the number 1 shows up 2 times. The number 5 shows up 1 time. The number 6 shows up 1 time. Number 11 shows up 1 time. So the number that appears the most of the time, that is 1, that appears 2 times, right? Let's just start with the test questions. That is not 0 minus 2 is 6. What is the mod? Which is the correct option? Just arrange them from least to greatest, right? So let's just arrange, that is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 6. 1 appears 1 time, 2 appears 3 times, 3 appears 2 times, 4 1 time, 6 1 time. So which numbers appear most of the time? Yes, the mod is 3. 2 is the mod because 2 appears 3 times in the data. So 2 is the mod value. The correct option is 2. Got it? Very good. Okay, the next one is, what is the mod? Which is the correct option? Which is the mod value? Which number appears most of the time in the data? What is the mod value? Just arrange them from least to greatest, right? So that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. So you can see 0 appears 3 times, 1 appears only 1 time, 3 appears 1 time. Yes, that is 0. Very good. The correct option is 0 because 0 appears 3 times in the given data. Sorry, I selected the wrong option. The correct option is 0. Okay, the next one is what is the mod, which is the correct option. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So what is mod? Which number appears most of the time in the given data? The correct option is 6, right? Okay, what is the mod, which is the correct option? Use your notebook and pencil, arrange them from least to greatest, and write the correct option in the chat box. So, what is the mod? Ten is the correct option. The correct option is 10. What is the mod, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? There is no mod. Every number appears only once, right? So the correct option is there is no mod. What is the mod, which is the correct option? Yes, 9 is the mod. Very good. What is the mod, which is the correct option? Two is the mod, right? Because two appears three times in the given data. What is the mod, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 because 1 appears two times in the given data. What is the mod, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2. Very good. What is the mod? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, 3 is the correct option. The mod is 3. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the range. So what is the range? The range is the difference between the smallest and the greatest number in the given data, right? So you have to find two things from the given data: the smallest number and the greatest number. For example, here you are given the greatest number is 12 and the smallest number is 3, right? So the range is 12 minus 3, that is 9. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the range? Which is the correct option? Range is the difference between the greatest number and the smallest number in the given data, right? So which is the smallest number in the given data? The greatest number in the given data is 6 and the smallest number is 1. So 6 take away 1 is 5. The range of the given data is 5. No one is answering why. What is the range? Which is the correct option? That is 9 minus 2. You always subtract the greater number out of the smallest one. You never ever subtract the smaller number out of the greater one. How you write 1 minus 6? The range is 7. The next one is, what is the range? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4. The correct option is 4. You take too long to answer. The next one is, what is the range? That is 8 minus 4, not 7 minus 4. Be careful. What is the range? Which is the correct option? That is 12 minus 8. The correct option is 4. 9? Oh, sorry. 12 and 3. 12 minus 3. The correct option is 9. The greatest number is 12. The smallest is 3. What is the range? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 9 minus 2. The correct option is 7. Very good. What is the range? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 9 minus 1. The correct option is 8. What is the range? Which is the correct option? What is the range? That is 10 minus 2. The correct option is 8. Got it? What is the range? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 10 minus 0. So the correct option is 10. It is right. Ten it is right. 10 minus 0 is 10. What is the range? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 minus 3, and that is 6. The correct option is 9 minus 2, and that is 7. The correct option is 7. What is the range? Which is the correct option? That is 3 minus 1. The correct option is 2. Right? The greatest number here is 3 and the smallest number is 1. That is 3 minus 1, 2. Right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is probability and statistics. And the lessons we have covered today are mean, median, mod, and range, mod and range, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can please contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions if you have any. No question? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.